Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, October 2nd. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. First off, just a quick reminder again, because I know some people only watch the afternoon video. I will not be here the next couple of days, okay? So best of luck trading tomorrow and Friday, and have a great and safe weekend. I'll see everybody on Monday. Don't forget, right now, NQ with an inside day today. That's the big thing taken forward to tomorrow. And then on Friday, you have non-farm payroll. So keep that in mind. Not much accomplished today by either side, although we're still down officially in ES, one-time framing down. NQ doesn't stop the one-time framing down, but it came into some better balance with the inside day. So remember, inside day, you go with it and monitor for continuation or lack of. We never got anywhere near this large sell tail from yesterday in ES or their afternoon rally high. NQ barely got their afternoon rally high and into the sell tail barely. It's still $4, that sell tail. Righty goes out with an 11 wide point of control, an afternoon pullback in I, and they did not get either side of the IB. They're still down on the daily. NQ goes out with a 9 wide point of control and a double distribution day that barely held, believe it or not. A couple of ticks here. So treat it as two separate days tomorrow. So they did hold the trend day up, NQ. ES did not. ES had one, took it back in H period. ES ends with a 10 wide pocket and an afternoon pullback in I, as does SPY. Look at all the volume in ES. And this day turned into, the afternoon was crap. Just look at this, between 59.50 and 64.75. Okay? 5 points. Just a waste of an afternoon. Had a good day though, because those trades I looked for, my staple trades early in the day, played out. So in A period, I took the short in NQ to get the overnight low on a 5 lot and did very well on it. Right? I told you I'm playing 5 lots on these trades because they've been working. So nailed the overnight low very nicely. Then I made a couple of other trades on ebb and flow shorts. I did get caught on one. I think I lost 10 points on it or so, but nothing big. Had a very good A period. Then in B period, I took the long, right? The other staple play to either get A's high or low. I took the long to pop A's high. Got that on a 5 lot. Now, we didn't get the overnight high right away, and we came back pretty good. I missed getting the overnight high. I obviously got the overnight low, but I missed getting the overnight high. Just missed it. But very good A and B period. Then in C period, the next, number 3 of the trades that we really like to take is to get the IB high or low. Boom, 5 lot. Got it again. So those are 3 really good trades in A, B, and C. I took a long in D to also take out C's high, but at that point, I was only a 2 lotter. Because once we get, those main trades are to get either the overnight high or low, A's high or low, and the IB high or low. Even though we were holding trend, I didn't, I thought we got the targets we wanted to get. Okay? I thought we were still going to get, that's why I took the trade to get C's high, to go get the afternoon rally high. And then I reversed and shorted it. I said, I think they're getting their targets. So we pretty much nailed it because that was the high today. I'm like, I don't think they're going to get into this sell tail. So even though we were holding trend at the time, and we still held it throughout the day in NQ, I thought their last big target of the day would have been the afternoon rally high. So I longed C to get it, and then I shorted K's high from yesterday to come in. So very nice D period. F period, I took a short thinking we were going to stop the one-time framing up in NQ because we weren't getting any distance. We always talk about, look at this in ES, when you start failing to get distance away from prior time frame highs, when you're one-time framing up, what's going to happen? Right? Nice distance, B, C, D a little, E a little, F nothing, and then roll. Same with ES, even though NQ, even though D went decent, E didn't get much, and F couldn't make a new high. So I took the short, and what happened? It didn't get it. I took a loss on that one. It was about 20 points, but it was only a one lotter. Then I missed G period to A, finally to get that trade that I wanted to, and then I was looking for them to fill the singles, and I was looking to get long. I had a bid in at 60, whatever it was. Well, what's A's high? I forgot exactly what it was. 66.50, I think, something like that. Never got there. Took the bid out when it went up. Put it back in again in H. Didn't get it. Went back up. Put it in again in I. Didn't get it. I was so ticked off that I missed all three of them. And then, actually, wait. In I period, I took a short saying, okay, we're definitely going to get it now. So I had a bid in. So it was only a 2-lot. I took a 2-lot short to go fill single prints. And then I had a bid in for 5 to cover my short and go long 3. So what happened? I took one off actually before that, made small, and then it went back up. And by the time I took it off, I think I lost 2 points total on the trade. And it never hit my bid. And that was it. After that, I was like, forget it. And the other thing, at one point they lowered the TPO down to D's low. And I was like, I thought for sure we would fill the single prints. But that turned out to be a head fake, because what did we end up doing later? We raised POC back up in both ES and in NQ. So we saw the market very well, but we misfired or missed some trades, right? I was too early in F to take out the one-time framing. I missed the short in G to take out the one-time framing. And then they nickel and dime me in G, H, and I's lows where I wanted to get long. And so that was it. But again, an excellent morning was put away in my pocket. It would have been nice to add on if I had bought those lows down there in I, H, and I. But that's okay. So good finish for the week for me, since this is the end of my week. Destinations, 72.25 for ES is high. 10 wide at 61. Afternoon pullback at 48. And today's low of 24. Okay? And that's a nice buy tail we have in both ES and in NQ. So what's going to be taken back first? Today's buy tail or yesterday's sell tail? I don't know. Let's go to SPY. SPY's high is 569.90. 10 wide at 568.82. Afternoon pullback 567.57. And today's low of 565.27. And then let's go to the chart. I'm going to show you just ES, but top down. Again, the monthly just started, but the monthly is up for us. NQ, it's balanced. Monthly is up on the S&P. The weekly is balanced. Again, we don't know how big the balance is. And it's going to be something you have to decide at Friday's close, and I'll have to decide when I come home what I'm going to look at. Is it going to be a 2-week balance if we don't go any lower, or will I encompass this week of September 16th? Not sure yet. I think I would probably include the 16th, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Let's see how it plays out the next 2 days. But it's balanced regardless. And the daily, officially in ES, is still down, okay? We're getting closer to the 20-day moving average. It's creeping up still, 562.66. And again, in NQ, it's a matter of how you want to call it. You want to call it down, or you want to call it down to balance. They are still one-time framing down 4 days. An inside day does not stop that. Just keep that in mind. I hope you guys and gals had a good day trading. Good luck the rest of the week. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. And we'll speak prior to the opening on Monday.